You deep clean your bathroom every single week, scrub the toilet, wipe the mirror, mop the floor, and it still somehow smells musty and looks grimy within days. That's not you cleaning wrong. It's because you're hitting the same visible surfaces over and over, while 7 specific spots never get touched at all, quietly building up bacteria and mold the entire time. There are 7 places doing exactly this, and the worst offender is something you touch every single day without ever thinking to clean it. The weirdest one is your toothbrush holder. Stay with me to the end, because I'm walking through every single one and exactly how to fix it. Bathroom cleaner brands profit from marketing toward the surfaces you already scrub: toilets, sinks, tubs, while the actual buildup zones causing lingering smell and mold go completely unaddressed by any dedicated product, keeping you stuck in a cycle of re-cleaning the same spots without results. The fixes for all 7 hidden zones cost under $2 combined. Information a billion-dollar bathroom care industry has no incentive to point you toward. Spot number 1, the shower curtain liner, the worst offender on this list. Mold spores multiply in the folds within 5 to 7 days in humid conditions, and a damp liner left bunched after every shower is essentially a breeding chamber. Machine wash on cold with 1/2 cup vinegar added, 15 cents per wash, monthly. Spot number 2, the toothbrush holder, the weirdest spot on this list. A 2011 NSF International study found toothbrush holders ranked among the top 3 germiest household items tested, above the trash can and even the pet bowl. Soak in hydrogen peroxide for 10 minutes weekly, 10 cents per treatment. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: rinsing the holder with water and calling it clean. Water alone doesn't touch the biofilm bacteria coats itself in. It needs an actual oxidizing or acidic treatment to break that layer down. Spot number 3, the exhaust fan vent cover, collecting dust that recirculates directly back into the air you breathe. HVAC studies show a clogged vent loses up to 50% airflow capacity, letting moisture and mold-causing humidity linger far longer. Wipe with a damp cloth monthly, essentially free. Spot number 4, the door handle and light switch, touched with wet or soap-covered hands multiple times daily. Spray with a 1-to-1 vinegar and water solution weekly, 5 cents per treatment. An area regular bathroom sprays almost always skip entirely. Spot number 5, the bath mat underside, trapping moisture against the floor after every shower. Mold can develop within 48 hours in that trapped, damp layer. Wash weekly in hot water, essentially free, and hang to fully air dry rather than folding it while damp. Spot number 6, the loofah or shower puff, a porous sponge structure that traps dead skin and moisture perfectly for bacterial growth. A study on bath sponges found bacterial counts rising significantly after just 2 weeks of daily use without replacement. Soak weekly in a vinegar solution, 10 cents per treatment, and replace every 3 to 4 weeks. Spot number 7, the grout behind the faucet base, a narrow crevice that traps splashback and soap residue where your cloth rarely reaches. Apply hydrogen peroxide with a cotton swab monthly, 5 cents per treatment, targeting mold that starts as barely visible discoloration. None of these fixes replace a genuine deep clean if mold has already spread extensively behind tile or into grout structurally. That needs professional remediation, not a weekly wipe down. This is about catching buildup before it becomes a bigger problem, not reversing years of neglect in one pass. Under $2 total to address all 7 spots monthly, versus the ongoing cost of specialty mold sprays and toothbrush sanitizers most people never actually buy for these exact areas. If this changed where you're focusing your cleaning energy, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe to The Big Sweep if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me which of these 7 spots you're guilty of ignoring. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.